which substance below is sulfuric acid? Let's review mini lecture 12 material about writing the formula for oxy acid. So when name ends in acid, you see in this name, it's a sulfuric acid, then it means the formulas always start with a hydrogen. And of course, we see all of the 5 formulas, they all start with hydrogen. So they all could be the choice at this point. So now hydro prefix means binary. And in the acid's name, sulfuric acid, there's no hydro in the name, so therefore it's not binary. Actually, in terms of binary, so this is a binary. Okay, so therefore it's not a binary. That one is out. Okay, if it's not a binary, it has to be an oxy acid, which means acid contain oxygen or contain polyatomic ions. So, and then we have B, C, D, E. They all have the polyatomic ions or oxy ions. Okay, so then all of those 4 could potentially be the choice. Now let's further go through this filter. Okay, for oxy acid, we already ruled out the binary acid. If ending is IC, the polyatomic ion ends in ATE. So which means if the acid's name ends with IC, so the polyatomic ion, the ion part, you see, has to be with a ATE suffix, which means this one, of course, is sulfate, we already know, and this one is sulfide, ITE, ATE. Then what means? The 4th bullet here is, if you see IC in the name, then it has to be ATE. In this case, B has to be the correct answer based on those analyses. All right? Okay, so B is the correct answer. And now let's just keep examining. So C does sulfide ending with ITE, and then the name for this acid should be sulfurous acid, not sulfuric. Replace the IC with OUS, sulfuric acid. How about D though? That's 1 hydrogen and 1 sulfate. Sulfate carries 2 negative and hydrogen carries 1 positive. So this is really not a molecule, this is an ion. It carries overall charge of -1. You see? And E is the same thing, only this is sulfide, but sulfide also carries 2 negative. And then this is 1 positive. So the overall, again, this is an ion. So that should be -1. So this one is called hydrogen sulfide, and this one is hydrogen sulfate.